Welcome back, everyone, and in today's lesson we're going to start looking at the metric system and the prefixes that go along with the numbers that we use. And this is just a method to try to make things simplified as far as decimal points and things of that sense. But let's jump in here and I want to show you. And there's many ways of teaching the prefixes, but they call this one either the ladder method or the stair-step method. It seems to work quite a bit better in helping you to understand the theory. Now, the first thing we look at is the base unit. Now, base unit, it can be distance, which would be the meter in metrics. It could be volume, which would be liters. It could be weight, which would be the gram. Or it could be pressure, which could be the Pascal. Okay? So we're going to look at these today, and there's more, but those are some really typical ones that you're going to see, especially in this class, the Pascal, when we talk about pressures and talking about stress and loads on members and components in design. So first thing we look at is we have and I don't have them all listed. I just go from mega down to milli here, and it goes on micro and all these different ones. But this is going to be all we need for right now, okay? And I also have a chart in your blackboard that has this. So stair-step method is really cool. So let's take off, and let's say here I'm going to put in a Pascal, okay? It's a unit of pressure, okay? So I'm going to put right beside of it base, that way you know what it is. But let's say, for instance, I had 5,000 Pascal, okay? And I want to simplify this into a smaller number. And let's say I want to convert this 5,000 Pascal, I want to convert it to a kilo Pascal, which is typical. Okay? What you do is you're sitting here at the base unit Pascal, and you're wanting to go and convert it to the kilo Pascal. So what you do, you start here, 1 step up, 2 steps up, 3 steps up. So when you do that, anytime you go, I'll put it over here, anytime you go up the ladder, your decimal is going to move. Decimal moves to the left. Okay? I'm going to put up the stairs. All right? Anytime you go down the stairs, your decimal moves. It moves to the right. Okay? So again, we moved up 1, 2, 3. So your decimal point here at 5,000, when we move to the left with a decimal, it goes over 1, 2, 3. So 5K Pascal is the same as saying 5,000 Pascal. It's just a different way of writing it. It just simplifies it a little bit. So now we'll do a couple more. We'll do just a couple more examples to help you with this. So let's say, for instance, I'm coming all the way from milli up to kilo. All right? So we've got, oh wow, let's see here. Say this time we have got 1,000,000 millipascals. Okay. Just an odd unit there, but let's say we've got that, and we want to go all the way up. Let's just go to, we'll go to kilo and see what that turns out like. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And again, we were going upstairs. Decimal moves to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it'd be 1K Pascal is equivalent to 1 million millipascals. Okay? Let's do this a couple more here. Let's say, for instance, I have 0.008 mega, big M, megapascals, which is a standard unit, we'll see. I want to convert this to another standard unit of pascals and pressure, which is a kilo. I want to know what the kilopascal is, right? So I'm going to come from mega and step down. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So again, this would be 1, 2, 3. So 0.008 megapascals is equivalent to 8 kilopascals. Okay? And vice versa. So you just got to understand, as you go up the ladder, decimal moves left. As you move down the ladder, the decimal moves to the right. If you have any problems with this, just please contact me and I can help you with it. But this is a very important concept that you need to learn as we move through the class.